bring her. So why all this time Annie never bring her? If Annie did bring Zoey go a CDA last year, when everybody around up and when Rosalie picking them and Wilbur get take away, when Annie used to hide Zoey, you know believe say if in the Kara go a CDA then the time there, this would have happened now, it would have been better. She would have been into school. I don't think she don't know CDA. They probably do that because they want to take the eyes off of Annie if say Annie's a good parent. And stop blaming yourself for foolishness here. Stop blaming yourself for foolishness and go and talk foolishness. The most we have to do right now is try to get Zoey into an evening class. Forget school. Leave school alone because you're going to mash up your pitney mental. She has 16. She will have 1 year left in her school in the next year. Stop talk about school. I'm going to make people laugh after your pitney and carrying the pitney to the ground. Because Zoey don't have the brains for the mental, the strong my brain figure school go take discrimination. You don't want that part so because if you go to Kara, which you think CDA or Kara go and not get themselves trouble and then I got trouble around she go fight and when she can't fight then allow them to fight, thumping and you lose all in mouth, bust up teeth, this, that, devil knows what. Go along for pitney and talk your damn foolishness and sit down and reason with the pitney. Sit down and talk to your pitney. You're at the end of the world. You could have carried pitney go and give and you have to sit down and mind. You could have heard him and give him. Emmanuel first one, not just because you won't get exposed, you have to talk about say you got this and you make him pitney feel bad in himself. Don't make him feel bad in himself, but you have to sit down and talk to her. And you have to sit down and tell her, say, boy, me have to go talk to my pitney. You can't make people abuse the pitney and then you go join the abuse. You better you beat him out in blood clot and know so you beat him and you cool down after. You better you give some fuck click and then you know so you cool down after until you say so you go fuck up your boy. Boy, you can't go see the go do. For do what? All for traumatizing brain. Them a teenager. Left them, make them go and go do what they want to do. All they have to do is make sure they have food for blood clot and they are right. You let them say, me not make nobody make me carry me picnic go nowhere. Me not doing it. Go for it's worst place to carry picnic go want homes. Worst place to carry picnic go want homes. You crazy? Left them in the money have to tap one day, you know. You just want to see you always be a good woman. You see 15-year-old, you have to brace yourself. I see one woman saying that at 12 up here in America, yeah. And the woman say you know tap runway. 12-year-old, you know. The woman in my Jamaican. The woman say you know tap runway. Just a run when they go with the foolishness. And you can't do nothing at all because they will lock up your blood clot as parents. You have to left them. So me not see, your best thing I do I want for Zoey. Because you would have got here say Zoey dead. You would have Zoey would have take it to heart and everything, but whatever. Me done gone but already girl, Annie. Zoey are 15. Let us be real now. Let me talk now. How much 15-year-old a teenage pregnancy? Eh? Make what make sense now. Zoey could have come back until I say go with him man, you know. A Jamaica that. Zoey could have breed and when him breed say rascal, Zoey breed and Zoey gone. What you gonna do? Eh? Zoey could have come and say, Mommy, me pregnant and I don't know who breed me. Or he could have gone. You get what I say?